Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the world of digital privacy, empowering you with a step-by-step guide to masterfully clear your online trail. Clearing your digital footprint through measures like deleting browser history, cookies, and caches provides a multifaceted advantage. This practice not only enhances privacy by preventing targeted ads and tracking, but also reinforces online security, minimizing unauthorized access risks, and many more benefits. Now, let's dive right in. If you are using Google Chrome browser, click on the menu and find Settings. Find Privacy and Security and click on it. Go to Clear Browsing Data and click on it. Select Time Range to All Time. Make sure you check all checkboxes if they are not checked, and click the Clear button below. Wait for it to finish, and that's it. Close and restart your browser. Now, if you are using Microsoft Edge browser, go to the menu, click and select Settings. Go to Privacy, Search and Services. Go to Choose what to clear. Choose the time range and select All Time. Make sure to check all boxes excluding passwords if you choose to. Click the Clear Now button below and wait for it to complete the clearing of your caches, history, and cookies. Once done, you can close and restart your Edge browser. If you are using other browsers like Firefox, Brave, Opera, etc., they are all similar to the two I have gone through with you. Also on your phone, tablet, or iPhone, etc., it's all the same. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video of how to clear your online traces. Please like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any more tutorials like this from this channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.